Hey guys, this is Kidson and I'm right here with no other than Istvan. It's about a year ago since you had the one night live event. How does it feel today when you look at the footage?
From the beginning, the event was supposed to be co-produced with another promoter from another country. It was a two-city, two-country tour, Chicane. And that went totally down the drain because the other promoter showed himself not to be a serious actor, in my opinion. And but in the end, I'm glad that I met him because he made this all happen, because he had the contracts from the start for everything for two shows, a serial event. So it was luck. In the end of the day, it was just luck. It's like a meant to be kind of thing.
This is Nick from Chicane. We hope to see you all in Stockholm on May the 14th. For our show at the Future Sound of Sweden's One Night Live.
Hi, this is Steve from the Thrillseekers. On Saturday, I'm going to be playing alongside Chicane, Ferry Tayle and Airwave at One Night Live in Stockholm. It's going to be quite a show, so I do hope to see some of you there.
I can tell you that is one of the highlights from as a visitor as well, because the response online afterwards and the response on the party was really, really amazing. And it's probably one of the best parties I've ever been to because of the whole thing, the live concept, and everyone who was playing and everyone who was attending, and the love really went through. We also have Airwave. You have been a big fan of him for a very long time, I believe.
I'm not the first one to say it, I will definitely not be the last one to say it, but he's a pioneer. And he's a hit machine. He's by far too unknown outside the scene for his performance as an artist, because he has been involved in so many different things in the scene, aliases and productions, and he's a musical prodigy, definitely. It was so fun when he showed his keytar the first time, and I looked at him like, it looks like a toy, and it's like, yeah, it's kind of, it is like a toy.
Love is a terrific thing, really. This is the most beautiful gift we could have from someone when arriving on this planet.
Ferry Tayle story it's really a fairy tale story, as he's part of the desire for me to kickstart the whole event thing from the start, back at Luminosity in 2009. And then we had him over at our Future Sound Halloween event. It was the first appearance with Ferry Tayle. It was an amazing set, it was great fun. It was very nice to meet him in person, you know, met him.
Hello, good evening, hello, welcome to the show. How about I should be a politician, as a musician. See, that's I swerved that. Just went off like that. Oh, it's a beautiful evening. Next question.
Musically, he's somebody who's really helped the evolution of Indian music and in the manners of the live performance. And I saw Chicane in Vanta 2010. And I said there at that event that I'm going to bring Chicane to Sweden sooner or later. And 1 year and 14 days after that statement, we did. It was amazing to meet him in person, just to feel his presence. He has a very special aura. Very special person.
If we go more towards the live concept, you had Thrillseekers as well, who's also a pioneer within the live concept.
He really got to me in person. He came down from his performance from stage. He was like, "Was it good? Did I do it? Yeah, amazing!" And he gave me this huge hug. It was a very special moment. I think in atmosphere, the sense of the Trance family feeling. That party was definitely one of the highlights of my promoter career.